Welcome to my channel, where we explore the world of relationships and attraction. Today, we're going to talk about how to get attraction from your crush. Know your crush. Get to know your crush as a person beyond their physical appearance. Find out what they like, dislike, and what makes them tick. Build confidence. Confidence is a key when it comes to attracting someone. Work on building your self-esteem and self-worth. Make eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful way to show your interest and attraction. Make sure to hold eye contact with your crush, but don't single quotes to overdo it. Use body language. Your body language says a lot about your intentions and feelings. Use open and approachable body language to show your crush you're interested. Be yourself. Authenticity is attraction, so be yourself around your crush. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to have interests you don't really have. Take risks. Taking risks and stepping out of your comfort zone can help you get noticed. Ask your crush out on a date or suggest doing something together.